Hey guys! So today we're going to go through how to track a day in your daily diary. So when you open up the app, it should come to the screen and you can tap if you have not had a headache or migraine, no, log my factors. And if you did have a headache or migraine, we're going to cover that in a later video. So let's tap no here and you're going to be prompted with just several different questions about your day. So what type of day, your sleep duration, your sleep quality, did you wake refreshed, your stress level, and you're just going to be rating these 0 to 10. And then did you see more light than usual, and your sensitivity, the same for noise and odors. Did you do activity? If yes, you can pick what type and for how long. Did you miss a meal? Did you drink alcohol or caffeine? Yes, I had my coffee. Did you have chocolate? And you're just going to kind of go through these and answer all of them based on what happened that day. And if you took medicine, you can put that in here. We cover how to enter medications in another video. And that's all. You've logged a day in your daily diary.